Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm here at Bedok Reservoir Road. We are seeing another 4S model at block 142 with a size of 84 square meter. Come, let's take a look at the unit. Kaki, Bukit and Bedok North MRT station are within walking distance. Block 630, Market and Food Center, shops, coffee shops, KFC and McDonald's are all nearby for daily convenience. With the lease starting in 1986, about 59 years remaining. This high-floor unit offers unblocked views towards the upcoming EGH, Eastern General Hospital. The home is spacious, renovated with floor tiles and move-in ready. The 4-room simplified flat offers a spacious living area, ideal for family gatherings, while the bedrooms can comfortably fit a queen-size bed and wardrobe. The master bedroom also comes with an attached bathroom. The practical kitchen is well maintained and functional. Nearby schools include Teluk Kurau, Mahabodhi, St. Stephen and Uniqueness Primary School. Overall, this is a spacious and well-connected home in a matured Bedok Reservoir area, ideal for first-time buyers and young families. If you are looking for a high-floor 4-room home in the area, this could be worth to take a look. Give me a call for a viewing today. I will see you in the next video.